This is how it's healing.
Good job. Good job. You jealous there, huh?
That's a baby dying, do ya?
I'm gonna put that rain rot lotion. Here it's still bald, and then back here everything is growing back also. You might have to stand back there a little bit more, Paul. So we're gonna. This is that rain rot stuff that I bought. It's lotion that you put on, and hopefully this just keeps helping him heal.
He also has some on the other side.
Yep. Most of this fur is all growing back now.
So it might be rain rot.
I don't know, maybe he's got a combination of stuff. We just want to make sure he's healthy. Maybe he won't look so shaggy after we have all this stuff fixed. Keep going. There we go.
The oats are right here.
I'm not moving away from these oats. Short.
He sure has a deformity up here.
Yeah, I have no idea what that is.
I bet you he got kicked or
Even, yeah, he told him. Even in the wild, because it was there when we got him.